Hey guys! So I hope everybody is doing okay. It has been a wild few months. We're actually going on 4 months of this. I hope everybody is doing well and is safe and healthy, not just physically, but mentally. These last few months have been a lot. As most of you are aware, one of the biggest deal closures that has happened have been the theme parks. All Disney World resorts and Universal theme parks have been shut down this entire closure, which has never happened. Disney really does not like to close under any circumstance. I have lived in Florida my entire life. Disney closed for 9/11 and they have closed a day or two for hurricane. So nothing like this has ever been seen before. As someone who loves theme park life and loves to escape to theme parks, this has been really hard not having them there to run to. When I remember when quarantine first started, I would think to myself, oh, okay, well, you know, we got all this free time. It's a good time to go to a theme park. I'm like, oh wait, no, can't do that anymore. The theme parks are starting to open back up. I think for Disney, all but California has an opening date. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure all of them have some sort of opening date if they're not already open. Right before Disney closed, they had launched this new collection called Ink and Paint that I was really excited about. It's merch designed around painting and art, so of course, naturally for me, I was very excited about it. I only managed to get one thing before they closed. So Disney Springs opened up, I want to say late June. So I've been open for a little bit now. So since they've reopened, they continued selling that merch. So I've been able to purchase more there. And yesterday I was very lucky and blessed to be able to go to a preview of the grand reopening for Walt Disney World. So I did go to the Magic Kingdom yesterday and got a little bit more. Just with all this time of craziness, I thought it'd be fun to just go through some bright, happy merchandise and just some kind of a fun video to do. So we'll just get right into it. The first thing that I want to show you guys, this was the item that I got right before they closed. I mean, I seriously got this like 3 weeks before everything shut down. And these are ears. And fun fact, these are actually the first ears that I've ever gotten, which is crazy because I'm such a Disney fanatic, but ears have never really intrigued me. I never really cared about ears before. But look how cute this is. That has little paintbrushes. So I believe this has been in some of my other videos on the wall. I have them hanging on the wall there. But how cute. You can see it there. And what I like about this design, about this collection, is you see it shows like it's unfinished artwork, like there it's a work in progress. The next few things I got at Disney Springs when they reopened. The first thing we have here is a serving platter, which is so cute. It has like rainbow Mickeys all over it, and it's done like a little painting palette. It's kind of big, and I have no clue where I'm gonna display this, how I'm gonna use it, what it's gonna be used for, but I saw it and I had to have it. So if you are a big Disney Parks fan and follow a lot of their merch, you'll know that they have a lot of Spirit jerseys that are super popular. So this is another first I got. I've never had a Disney Spirit jersey before. And here you go. It's really cute. It's the same pattern as the ears. And the back here. Admittedly, this one is kind of swimming on me because they sold out really quickly. So all they had was a large. So it's kind of like, it's really big on me. But I think with when it gets cooler out and with some leggings and stuff, it's gonna look really cute. So this one you're actually going to see an unboxing because I haven't opened this at all yet. This is a set of 4 ceramic jars. Doesn't want to open. Got it! All right, so let's look in here. These are so cute. Look at that. It's like paint running over the jar. That's so cute. What's also really fun about this is I just started taking up watercolors. All of my paintings have always been digital. I've never painted traditionally. So that's something I recently started and took up during quarantine. So it'll be cute. A little thing to put water in for my watercolors, and I can put some brushes and stuff. So there's a green one, a red one, blue, and yellow. They looked cute in the box, but seeing them in person, oh. So the next couple of things I actually got at Magic Kingdom. Got this right here. It's a little ornament that's actually a canvas. It's canvas textured. I don't know if we can really see it here, but it's got the 3 caballeros. And what's really cool is it has the outline of like the different colors that it needs. I don't know, let me try to get it up here so you can see it. But try to get it in focus. Okay, there we go, a little bit. So you see all the different colors, like it tells you, it's almost like a, not quite like a paint by numbers, but like what the different colors, what the different sections should be colored. So that's really cute. So the last thing that we have here that I am so excited about it and was a complete surprise, I had no idea this was a thing and I can't believe I stumbled upon it, are these Disney pins right here for the collection. It's a set of 4. You don't know how happy this made me because like I said, I wasn't expecting. I had been eyeing the ink and paint set for a little bit, so I knew what to expect, but I had no idea these were a thing. So if you look here, I'm again trying to get it to focus. It does the same thing, kind of the other ones where it outlines where the colors should be. And what's cool about it is it's actually some different kind of characters. It's just not your typical like princesses or things like that. Try again to focus as much as I can, but yeah. So that's everything so far that I've gotten from this set. I'm feeling pretty satisfied with what I've purchased so far, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get any more, but this collection is huge. They have bowls, they have cups, they have serving napkins. They have this one cool thing, which I didn't end up getting, so it's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's this big magnetic palette that they have with magnetic cups that you can put around it. It's kind of big and I didn't really have a purpose for it, even though I've been eyeing it, so I decided not to get it. I went with the serving platter instead. And they even have watercolor coloring books. And they do sell some paint products as well. They do have like, you know, like the sets you would get as a kid with like the big like thing with the handle, and it had pastels, oil paints. Yeah, they have some stuff like that too. So they have some art supplies. Probably not amazing art supplies if I had to guess, but it's a cute gift anyway. So yeah, that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed this. This was a really fun video to do. This has been a really fun collection, especially like I said, since I'm taking up watercolors for the first time and actually painting traditionally for the first time. Hopefully I'll get some watercolor videos up soon. I haven't been uploading them to YouTube because I haven't really been comfortable fully videoing myself doing it since I'm so new to it. I do have some videos that I've done with it over on TikTok. Like TikTok, just, you know, simple little, you know, few seconds here and there, so I was more comfortable doing that. So I do have a TikTok if you want to follow me on there for some quicker videos that you may not see on here. But I will show you in case you're curious the first couple of paintings that I've done so far. So this is the very first one. I'm so happy with the way that this turned out. Elsa right here. And I do have a TikTok for this if you want to see a little bit of me doing this here. You know, my Elsa obsession. I draw her way too much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope everybody is taking care of themselves, not just physically, but mentally. This has been a very hard time. So just keep focusing on what you can do. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just do what you need to do to get through the day. Get out of bed and just to take care of yourself. If you want to see more videos like this, speed drawings, commentaries, things like that, please subscribe.